Hello guys, it's me Zion. So today we're opening Blackies for the monitor.
Tingnan natin.
Wait, wait.
Saan mo yan nabili? Saan mo nabili?
Si Robinson.
Robinsons.
I think is what's the second?
Optimus Prime. Spaceship.
Yeah.
Nice! Spaceship. Ooh! Okay. Yun na yan?
Yeah.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Okay, gilid mo na yan. Gilid mo. Ayan natin dito. So, Thundercracker. What will you say? Mama and Daddy.
Thank you po.
Yun, very good. May po. Uy. Uy. Tigas, no? Go, go. Okay, ano laman?
Why do you reverse the circle, guys?
Medyo lang.
Yes.
Ano laman?
Ato scribe.
Uwe, talaga? Check mo nga.
How did you know?
Okay, ganun ba yan? Ganun ba yan? Kapag may nakalagay dyan. Okay, check mo nga.
You can write the Atomos scribe.
Sino? Yung may gun or yung ano?
Alam makikita mo siya.
Yung rare ba? Yung rare?
Kaso lahat.
Uy, Optimus Prime nga.
Oh yeah.
Pantikin natin.
Hey Dad, where is it?
It's here.
Wait, that's magic.
That's magic. Uy, meron siyang gun. Meron siyang gun and...
Let's get this thing. Open this thing. Bumblebee. Yay, I got Bumblebee. Adi, I got Bumblebee. Look.
You got the Bumblebee.
Look.
Nice! Bumblebee.
Shiny.
Ang ganda nito.
Yeah. Shiny a gold.
Ito ang ganda. Si Optimus Prime ang chibi.
Very shy.
Nice. Finally. Bumblebee. Okay.
I think there's
Uy, open mo nga, open mo muna yung ano, wag mo tingnan yung papel. Dali, wag mo open yung papel.
Huwag mo open to. Tingnan mo ito.
Check mo muna, check mo. Surprise! Surprise!
Wait.
Ooh,
Green one.
green one again?
Yeah. Oh, they transported the car. The car.
Ah, yung car!
The car one.
The car one.
Kala ko yung human.
Okay, magikin natin kasi malulobad na ako. Sige, magic. Magic. Nice. Pwede mo siya dyan sakay.